Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. It is late April here. It's almost May, and here in the Maritime Pacific Northwest, our mulberries take a longer time to leaf out and fruit. And so while at this time I'm watching videos of people in warmer places enjoying their mulberry harvest already, we here still have a little ways to go. But until later in the summer, when we can harvest mulberries and enjoy them, I wanted to share with you a fantastic video from Marta at Really Good Plants. Marta collected a bunch of mulberries and put them together, and it's always very interesting to be able to see different types of mulberries side by side in real time. In addition, on her website, she went through and got an average weight and bricks values for them. So I'm going to try to figure out how many ways I can link to that video here. You may see something on the screen, or just go down to the notes and go visit her YouTube channel. And in addition to this video, she's got a great number of videos on different varieties of the fruits that she sells cuttings for in the winter. Anyway, until these mulberries start coming back in, I wish you all the best of harvest this year and have a good spring.